What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. Before I start this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you have that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you're going to be notified that I uploaded a video. So today we're going to be looking at the brand new iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. This is a dummy phone. This is not an actual phone, but this is the best way we know how the phone might and I think is going to look like. So we could tell is that it has a square body, power up and down, the little switch to turn the vibration on and off. On the other side you have the power button and the SIM tray. The front has a it looks like the chin is a little smaller with the speaker and the camera. I don't know what kind of camera they're gonna use, sorry about that, but I haven't seen anything about it. The back is plastic, not glass, same kind of format as the 11. One of the biggest difference that I seen was the button array. The buttons compared to the 11 is this for the 12 is a little bit higher and it's not coming out. It's like kind of flush and bigger. So I don't know how it's gonna be when it's really working, the actual phone. But I did the comparison with my mom's iPhone 11, and I tried a case that I had previously for the brand new phones, for the iPhone 12 and the 12 Pro, and it didn't fit. For the 11, the up and down button is further down. Not further down, but just a little bit down that when you put a case on, you could tell the difference. And for the 11 and 11 Pro, the buttons pop out. That's one of the major difference that I've seen. But it feels nice in the hand, even though this is a dummy, but it's nice and square. It's not going to slip out of your hand. So it's pretty dope. The back, basically the same little corner. Good thing about it is you could kind of set it up like this. If I could get it. Maybe with my Batman. Let's see. There you go. You got, if you don't have a kickstand, you can stand it up there. Thank you, Batman. Shout out to Batman also for being in this video. But this is the closest thing that I seen right now in person, how the new phones might look. So it's pretty dope. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you are getting the 12 or the 12 Pro or the 12 Pro Max. Tell me which one you're gonna get in the comment below. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.